Uhayo, kininayo, rato tayo war, na napagplanuan mi nga i-accept man di challenge nga ginamit kami ti halo-halo. Dito is now. First time in the history, so we will see how or what is the taste. Okay, so how to do the halo-halo, I will teach you, Ella. But first of all,
I was forced into this.
I need to get the filter. Okay, we need cup. We need the clean snow, okay? We need cup. Did you ask your grandma if she want?
No. Dad probably will.
Okay, first of
And
all,
big snowball.
we have a ready-made halo-halo here from Asian store.
Yeah, of course.
Of
Too
course.
lazy to make a show.
We have coconut. Okay. Put it over there.
That's the fact that I'm not even caring. It's just I'm focused on this.
Okay. There's a beans, langka inside. How about your daddy? He like it also?
Yeah, sure. I don't know. He's the one
I'll just make it. We will try with this no.
And then it tastes bad. All right. What are you gonna do?
I hope it's gonna be taste good.
Look at this big snowball I made.
Beans. There. Langka. Alright, and then I will put banana. Fresh banana. Just for he don't like the airplane.
Stay there. Stay there. Stay there.
You're in charge today, Snow, okay?
I'm doing something already. Look.
What is that?
Look at the big snowball. I made.
Okay, and then we will
My
put
baby.
sugar.
My baby.
Small sugar.
That's my baby. My fat baby.
But baby.
Look.
Okay, and then we need to put a hole over here. This is evap.
There's one over there.
Okay. Kayla,
Decoration.
we need a clean.
You have decoration?
Oh, that's cute. Clean is now. This is clean, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Purest water.
Oh, Kayla, you wanna try?
No.
Come here. You want to ano?
No.
Come here. Oh, it's so good. Oh. Come
Guess
on.
what I'm doing though?
Here. Oh, you wanna try?
Or cotton candy. That's what you do.
This is just like cotton candy.
I'm working on a project.
You don't want to experience it. Huh? It's so cute. Oh. And
I
then
can go show grandma my big snowball.
your grandma is over there. And then Kayla, you're going to deliver this, okay? Come on, Kayla. Kayla.
I'm busy right now. I'm busy.
Come here,
I'm busy.
Oh, this is our first time, okay? Come here, you wanna see it? How I do it? Come here.
Hold on.
Oh, this is evaporada. Ooh. Loves! Come on! You need to eat the halo-halo made, Ohio, kinayo, halo-halo. Come here. And of course, we have a leche plan made by me.
Woo!
All right. Where's my husband? Ooh, la 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 la.
I'm gonna show them my big snowball. Look.
Oh, look, oh, Kylo, it's so yummy. Go get the camera. Video this. Come on.
Hold on, I gotta show them.
Over here.
Wait, I gotta show them.
This is so yummy. Leche plan o, nagimas. Loves! Oh, naimas. Look at my halo-halo, loves. Mother! Mother, you want halo-halo? You want halo-halo? Try. No. Come here. Oh, come on. This is my first time to taste halo-halo.
Huh?
Here. My first time to taste halo-halo.
We're making a snowman.
Halo-halo is snow. Come on, that is nice. Come on. Let us see. My first time also. It makes me excited, you know?
Why?
It's my first time. Kayla, come here.
What?
Try it.
Hold on.
Mm. It's yummy.
Same thing as normal.
We're gonna make a snowman.
Come on, try it. It's sweet. Because of the yema and the chipran. Try it.
That's poo poo.
I want more.
How am I supposed to?
You make it like that, though.
I can't hold the spoon.
Tastes like halo-halo, same halo-halo.
Bruh, it's hollow hollow. What do you
Is
mean?
it no, loves, the snow is safe?
No.
No, not safe. No, banana. Is it dirty?
As long as it ain't yellow, babe, we're good.
Good. Promise?
Yeah?
Okay. Imas. Imas is yummy. Don't like it? Mother, it's so yummy. Mother. Woo-hoo. Woo-hoo. From the Philippines. Woo! From the Philippines. Kayla! Help me! You're the